we're making something creamy, dreamy, and guilt-free avocado ice cream. You'll need just 4 simple ingredients: 100 grams of fresh avocado, 50 grams of milk powder, 50 milliliters of heavy cream, and 50 milliliters of milk. Add avocado, milk, cream, and milk powder. Then blend again until it's silky and rich. Freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. Stir every hour to keep it creamy. And there you have it, a luscious, healthy dessert packed with good fats and flavor. Avocado ice cream. Try it today and taste the freshness of nature in every scoop.